Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to fix two codes guys. Okay, it's the same problem under two different codes. I'm talking about code P0238 or code 00568 guys. All these codes relate to the same problem guys, and we'll demonstrate how to fix that on 1.8 or 2.0 liter gasoline engine that has been used in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda guys in Germany as well, in Europe. So stay with us and we'll show you how to get rid of these two codes and what causes it. Now, quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix things, and specifically on this Volkswagen here we'll have close to probably 300 to 400 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. All the scanners, parts to fix that, everything we use in the video will be shared in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please guys check it out. Now let me go inside. We're going to start the car. Okay, let's start the car and we'll rev it up a little bit and you're going to hear what it sounds like. It sounds like the turbo is over boosting now. Okay, let me open the hood a little bit and listen now. Okay, that's not good guys. This is not good. Do you hear that grinding noise? Kind of like turbo is putting too much boost guys. Okay, we'll explain what causes that. Now, I'm going to use guys two different scanners. Make sure you stay until the end, because depending on the scanner that you use, okay, one is kind of like the Rostec, it's the professional scanner, and the other one is a really good scanner as well, but you may get two different codes depending guys, okay, what you're using. So now let me start here. Okay, I'm going to plug that scanner guys. It works on every car, okay, but this is kind of like the Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda software guys. Okay, you can do pretty much anything. So I just plug it to the OBD port. Super tight. Car has only 38,000 miles, so everything's super tight still here. Now what I'm going to do, I'll turn the ignition switch on. Ignition switch is on guys. Now check it out. Okay, I'm telling you, this scanner works on pretty much anything guys. Any car you can think of. Amazing. We'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out if you need something like that. So cool thing about the scanner, you can click auto detect. It's going to decode the VIN number and give us the vehicle that we have. Okay, we just have to confirm that. Now engine light is on guys. Okay, engine light is on all the time, and we'll find a way to get rid of it. So we confirm this is the correct VIN number, then we select it's a Tiguan past 2008. Okay, and we select control unit. We're going to select the engine, and under engine we're going to select guys trouble codes, and check out the code that we get, P0238 Turbocharger boost sensor A circuit high guys. Okay, problem there. Now I'm going to disconnect that scanner. I want to use the other professional scanner guys and show you how a regular OBD scanner what's going to give you. Let me show you now. So we're going to get, okay, that tool. This is amazing guys. Okay, we'll have the link in the description of the video as well. Okay, you just plug it in, wireless. You get your phone out guys. You download the software, and once you unlock your phone, let me go back now. Okay, I'm going to click all system functions. Okay, we need to wait for it to communicate, and it's going to detect which vehicle we have. Okay, let me just do the angle correctly. Okay, 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Next step, it's loading. And it should be any minute now. Check it out now. It's reading all the different components guys. You can do even programming with that device. It's simply amazing. So I'm going to do system scan. Okay, nope, I don't want to do the whole system scan. I want to do system selection. Here we're going to do engine, and under engine guys we're going to click to read the codes. Okay, it's establishing communication now. Okay, read DTC code P0238, guys. Okay, this is the code right here, P0238 turbocharger boost sensor A circuit high. Same guys thing. Okay, same thing, same problem. So how we're going, okay, let me grab everything, how we're going to take care of that now. Stay with us and we're going to cover that as we go, guys, and explain what causes that. Now we'll need to open the hood and start working on the engine now. So guys, now what is our problem? Okay, check it out right here. We removed the air filter box. Okay, air filter box was here. Okay, right there, we got it out. Now with the air filter box removed, okay, this sensor all the way down there. Okay, let me get close with a little bit of light. This is the T-map sensor, turbo map sensor, guys, right there. This is T-map sensor. In our case, it's a broken wire. Okay, let me zoom it in one more time. Broken wire, guys. Okay, perfect. And why? Because most likely the wire got in the fan. Broke the wire, guys. That's why we get the code. Now, things to check if you have any of the following two codes, guys. Check the wiring harness, check that the connector is plugged in, and also, guys, okay, let me try to get a little bit of light. Replace the sensor, the map sensor, T-map sensor, guys. This will be the other thing that could be wrong with your car. Either loose wire, broken wire, or sensor that's malfunctioning, guys. And if you need to get a new sensor, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. We'll go ahead, reconnect everything and see if that takes care of the problem. I'll definitely recommend to disconnect your car battery every time you work on it, because the radiator fan is there and it can turn on anytime and it can cut your hands and fingers off, so be extremely careful, guys. So we'll continue in just a little bit. So now, guys, let's go ahead, start the vehicle. Okay, I need to still clear the lights. That's one thing. So we'll go ahead, okay, and see how it sounds. So let's check it out now. Let's reset the light and see what happens. Because you always have to reset your light, guys. If you do not reset the light, what could actually happen as a result, guys, is that you guys still may, the car computer still may think that you have a problem when you do not have a problem. So what we're going to do, clear fault codes. Are you sure that you want to clear fault memory? We say yes. Ah, error with vehicle. I need to reconnect it, guys, quickly. Give me a second. Why? Because it was off for a long time. So, okay, it's reconnecting now. It's going to read the VIN number again, load it, and we'll continue when it's ready. So now it's loading, guys. Okay, it should be any minute. So read ECU memory. It tells you all about that. Volkswagen Audi gives you more about the software. We're going to click clear fault codes. Yes. Now clear fault code. It says yes. Confirm. No fault code detected. Now let me go ahead, start the car, okay, and see what it sounds like now, and if that engine light will stay on. So you can see, guys, engine light is not on anymore at all. So that definitely, guys, take care of our problem. You can see, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.